guys, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe June is almost over and I didn't realise that I haven't actually made any Pride content whatsoever, so I thought I would get this one up here. Don't forget, I am not a makeup artist. I just like having fun with makeup, and so I thought I would show you how I got this look, which is based on the Pride flag and the bi flag. If you want to see how I got this, then stay tuned. So we're using my favourite concealer to prime the eyes. This is E.L.F 16-hour Camo concealer in shade Fair Rose that I'm using, because your girl is pale. So now we're going to use the Barry M Neon Brights palette. This is in shade Zested, which is a purple shade. We're just going to do like an exaggerated wing shape, taking it all the way to my hairline, and then just cleaning up underneath. So we want a nice straight line. Next shade we're using from the same palette is Dreamer, which is this pink one. Just going to follow to start with, follow the natural shape of my eye, and then follow that line that we put on with the purple to really drag it out. It looks crazy right now, that's okay. I'm going to blend it a little bit first. Then we're using the Firework shade, which is a blue one, to go underneath the eye, again dragging that all the way out to my hairline. I'm using a tiny amount of shade each time on the brush so that I can just build it up. As you can see now, I'm just blending it out and adding more colour where I need to. This is the NYX eyeliner in Pure White, and on the other side I'm going to sketch out a rough like triangle shape across my face to give me a guideline. Going back to that Zested from the Barry M palette. You can see me trying to get as straight line as possible. And again taking that all the way up to my hairline at the top of my head and at the side of my face. Repeatedly going back into colour to get a nice strong colour. Then we're going to use Firework again, which is that blue one. Now we're going into a green shade, which is called Radar. Again, just following that shape that I've already placed down with the other two colours. This next one is a yellow, which is called Laser Beam. Did not realise how bright this was. It's amazing. Then I quickly swapped palettes. This is the Cult Candy Playhouse palette, and just wanted to dip in there to use the Traggle shade, which is an orange, because the Barry M didn't have an orange. Back to the Neon Brights one to use the shade Infrared. Just put that on the outer corner of my eye there. And now we're really going to have some fun. We're going to add the glitter. These are the Barry M Loose Glitters with the Barry M Glitter Fixer Gel. So I'm just going to place the gel over the colour. I use the same brushes that I was using before. This is called Hypnotic, this shade, which is just going to cover the purple. You can see when I get close to my eye I'm being really careful so I don't place glitter all in my eye. This next one is the Midnight Jewel, which is a blue shade. And it's literally just the same technique that I'm using. So glue, then glitter. This is Treasured, which is a green. Like I said, the closer I get to my eye, I'm kind of being really careful because I don't want to blind myself. The next shade is this yellow one, which is Gold Mine. And it's already looking so much better now it's got glitter over the top. The orange shade is called Supermoon. And I was getting coated in glitter by this point. And the red shade is called a Blaise. So I was just making sure, being really careful. And because I felt the other eye looked a bit odd with no glitter on it, I took that purple shade again, which is the Hypnotic, and just placed it on the inner corner. And then cleaned up any loose glitter with a baby wipe. Next I'm jumping into the KVD Fetish Blush and Highlighter palette in the shade Coven to put a little bit of blush on, to give my face some kind of shape. And then we're going to go in with the KVD Tattoo Liner, just to give a little bit of a wing on each of my eyes, because I just wanted to kind of outline my eye, because they were looking a bit lost after all the colour that was on them. And trust, trying to put this on over glitter was a nightmare. We're going in with the KVD Cake Liner and just putting that on the bottom waterline. Again, to try and make my eyes look a bit more like eyeballs rather than just a blob of white in a blob of colour. Then I totally did my lashes off camera because they were not going on how I wanted them. So this is then the Lime Chrome Velvetines Lip Liner in Platform. It's my absolute favourite shade. I'm just slightly overdrawing my lips before going in with the Lime Chrome Velvetines Liquid Lip. This is in shade Ka-Ching, which is like a metallic-y rose gold colour. And thank you for watching. I hope you like this look based on the bi flag and of course that pride flag. And now I've got a table full of glitter to be cleaning up. So please like and subscribe to my channel and I will see you on the next one.